Hello and welcome to this short video on a round stud with 3/8/16 female and 1/4-20 female receivers. This solid brass baby or 5/8 inch diameter stud has two female threads, 1/4-20 on one side and 3/8/16 on the other. This stud can be used to convert any 1/4-20 or 3/8/16 male thread into a baby stud. What happens if you go to your gig and if you got your light stand? No problem. Let's use our tripod instead. First, we'll screw the stud onto the 1/4-20 thread on top of our tripod head. All we have to do now is place our monolights baby receiver onto the baby stud, secure the set screw, and we are good to go. Who says that little studs can't get the job done?
Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image-making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.